made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't.
We'll cut to the food.
And fries.
In 3, 2.
Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be
So
too long.
we just finished eating, and now we're back walking back.
Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was.
We're just leaving next dorm right now, and they're already going downstairs. But yeah. We ate a lot of yummy food, and we went to the gas station and got snacks, and now we're going home.
Wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean.
Hey guys, so we are gonna go home now. Just yeah. Say bye everyone. It's good hanging out here. Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's an honor to be in her second vlog.
Me too.
It's an honor for them to come to our house.